If someone told you there are free housing programs that could help you rent, buy, or even keep your home, would you know where to look? Most Americans don't. Today, I'm sharing 7 legitimate housing resources that many people overlook. And at the end of this video, I'll show you 3 simple steps you can take today to start finding out what may be available in your area. Let's begin. The first resource is your local public housing authority. Many people think housing authorities only manage Section 8. That's not always true. Depending on where you live, they may also offer public housing, family self-sufficiency programs, homeownership assistance, or referrals to other local housing resources. Second, look into HUD-approved housing counseling. This may be one of the most overlooked free services available. A HUD-approved housing counselor can help you understand renting, buying a home, avoiding foreclosure, improving your credit, and finding local assistance programs. You can search for one directly on HUD.gov. Third, ask your state or local housing agency about programs funded through the Home Investment Partnerships Program. These funds may support affordable housing, home rehabilitation, or assistance for eligible renters and home buyers, depending on your community. Fourth, if you or someone in your household has a disability, ask about Medicaid Waiver Programs or your state's disability services. Some states help pay for accessibility modifications that allow people to remain safely in their homes. Fifth, contact your local Habitat for Humanity affiliate. Many people know Habitat for building homes, but some local affiliates also provide home repairs, accessibility improvements, and affordable homeownership opportunities. Sixth, reach out to your local community action agency. These organizations often connect families with housing assistance, utility programs, weatherization, and other local resources. And finally, call 211. It's free, confidential, and can connect you with housing programs, rental assistance, nonprofit organizations, and local community resources available where you live. Now here's what I want you to do. Step 1, call your local public housing authority and ask, what housing programs are accepting applications right now? Step 2, visit HUD.gov and schedule an appointment with a HUD-approved housing counselor. Step 3, call 211 and simply ask, what housing assistance programs are available in my county? The biggest mistake isn't getting denied. It's never applying because you didn't know these programs existed. One phone call, one conversation, or one application could uncover the opportunity you've been searching for. I'll continue finding legitimate housing resources so you can spend less time searching and more time finding real solutions.